So good morning, everyone. So I am Sebastien Girardot. I'm French. I live in Paris. I can't lie. And I work at Alstom in a design-to-cost department. So where are these different suppliers? For the moment, you can see that we have 9 different suppliers that sign the zero RFQ process. 3 in the US, 2 in France, 1 in Belgium, 1 in Poland, another one in Austria. And with all these suppliers, we already have purchased 900,000 parts. And the total amount is $9 million. So $10, the average cost is $10 per part, only small parts. And the saving is 40%. And maybe the last question is 40% on saving. How do we calculate this number? You remember I told you we have a set of test parts. When we give this set of test parts to standard suppliers, they return a quotation. We calculate a mean value. And when we give this same set of parts to the supplier with a zero RFQ process, calculated with aPriori after validation of the VPEs, the cost is 30% below. It's a mean value again, so depend on the part, of course. You can't imagine, for all these small parts, the bad estimation given by the suppliers. They don't have time to answer the RFQ. They cost them with a stupid cost per mass. And we don't check. We never check. We don't have time. It's a small part, we don't care. And doing that, we have found out that, yes, there are a lot of saving to do in these small parts.